Hi folks, I'm Fat Tong. That clip we just shot, what do you think of the phone's looks? Give it a rating. For this Vivo S50, this color is my favorite by far. Whispering, multicolored white, the back is AG glass with 3D, flowing patterns that feel like silk. Seeing this phone, I imagine like glinting on snow, a breeze drifting through flakes that shimmer warmly in the sun. Such a romantic scene is perfect for proposals. Just imagine, let's first look at the S50 standards design details. In terms of craft and feel, this model shows a major leap up. The imaging module is made of aerospace-grade aluminum, with a bright finish on the chamfers that glints while preventing sharp edges from digging in. Near the back panel, there's a ring of high gloss trim from the side. It adds depth, making the decal zone look like it's floating above the body. The standard model's rear has a triple camera setup, ultra-wide main camera, 3x telephoto lens, and a ring soft light. See the antenna band on the side. The standard model's frame is also aluminum, with smooth transitions to front and back panels. And this time, the corner radius is quite smooth, pairing well with the edges near the camera. A true flagship feel emerges right away. The phone's color scheme and soft curves evoke a gentle, air-light, and soothing aesthetic vibe. We've reviewed the phone's looks now. Dear folks, have you ever met someone where the moment you saw them, you just wanted to confess your feelings? The first time I felt love for someone was in primary school, when I saw Hijie's stage. Supergirl 2005, her stage presence won me and 2 decades flew by. What, you never saw Supergirl? I do envy your tender age. As one of the top causers and biggest star fans in the digital zone, this off-track digital creator will make a star chaser Itasha today. Have you all noticed that my look today is quite different from what it used to be? I'm cosplaying Hijie, can anyone tell? And while I cosplay Hijie, I'll make a Hijie Itasha as well. This back panel has a versatile hue and texture, so the paint look isn't too plain. When it comes to confessions, school days, and full of energy, this boy's envy was where my taste first took root. Soft pinks, girlish vibes, just like the love I imagined as a kid. Once paint, this is my one-of-a-kind Vivo S50, the Hijie Custom Edition. Then I found it pairs perfectly with small cards and Polaroids, since the corner radius is smooth and matches round corner photos neatly. The hues and blingy tags blend seamlessly with the phone body itself. Pair it with grating wallpapers, looks great no matter what. Can't wait to see your Itasha DIY. I got the Vivo S50 and tried taking some portrait shots with it. Shot the trendy idol-style fansite admin pics with a new highlight slow-motion cinematic. Let me explain what that means. When you shoot, the Vivo automatically processes a normal speed clip that transitions to slow-motion live. Let's check 2 shots to see the effect. Three times telephoto live and 6x telephoto live. Let us capture stronger space compression. One tap shot still works great as ever, paired with my makeup and look. Doesn't this feel like my own idol card? Check if it hits that vibe. There's the peel-off mode, the animation and sound are quite ritualistic, and the look feels very Polaroid, all about the vibe. Selfies are one aspect I'm quite happy with. They meet my expectations well, and the beauty mode looks great, wouldn't you say? Oh, if you love this youthful, fresh-looking design aesthetic, if you love taking live photos and experimenting with fun, creative shooting modes, then try the Vivo S50 series in store. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching till now and for your support. See you in the next video. Goodbye.